Welcome to the dark side of the map. No citizens here, just soldiers. This ain't a neighborhood, it's an empire. Kingdom of killers. Enter at your own risk. Step into the fortress where the sun don't shine, where the vultures circle and the stars don't line. I'm the architect of chaos, building walls out of lead. In the city full of ghosts, I'm the king of the dead. The snipers on the roof, got the demons in the basement. If you're looking for a king, I'm the only replacement. See the throne, it's a casket. See the crown, it's a clip. Every word out my mouth is a sinking ship. I don't talk to the law, I don't bark at the moon. I just whistle in the dark, then I bring a monsoon. In the kingdom of killers, we don't value the gold, we just value the secrets that'll never be told. Welcome to the kingdom of killers, where the shadows are the only real thrillers. Bass shaking the foundation, heads clicking like a clock. We the owners of the night, we the kings of the block. The kingdom of killers, kingdom of killers, where the wolves don't howl, they just wait for the spillers. Kingdom of killers, kingdom of killer. If you enter through the gates, you better pray to the pillars. Watch the smoke rise high from the barrel of the heat. Got the sin of the predator all over the street. I'm the general of goons on the southern of the slaughter. I can walk across the fire, I don't need no water. Every block is a border, every alley is a trap. Keep your finger on the trigger, put the city on the map. We don't bow, we don't bend, we just break them till they snap. Got a heavy 808s doing laps in your lap. It's a monarchy of mayhem, it's a dynasty of dust. In the kingdom of killers, ain't a soul you can trust. You want the keys to the castle? Better pay with your life, cause the king only speaks with the edge of a knife. One for the silence, two for the grave. In this kingdom, boy, there's no one to save. Who want war? Welcome to the kingdom of killers, where the shadows are the only real thrillers. Bass shaking the foundation, hats clicking like a clock. We the owners of the night, we the kings of the block. Kingdom of killers, kingdom of killers, where the wolves don't howl, they just wait for the spillers. Kingdom of killers, kingdom of killers. If you enter through the gates, you better pray to the pillars. Check the perimeter, the gates are locked. You're in my world now, the kingdom, the power, the killers. Kingdom of killers. Kingdom of killers. Yeah. Big 808s. You know who it is. The pavement shaking. Street war guard. Yo, let's get it. I rose up from the concrete, no sun, just a street light. I'm the monster in the shadows, I don't bark, I just bite. Got the crown made of thorns and a heart made of lead. 10 toes down while I'm dancing with the dead. Hit a hi-hats clicking like a firing pin. When the war drums beat, that's when I begin. I'm the deed of your danger, the prophet of the block. Got the city in the chokehold, never checking on the clock. No, I don't need a throne, I just need a zone where the lions stay hungry and the weak stay home. Every scar is a scripture, every block is a shrine. I'm the street war god, and the kingdom is mine. Street war god, street war god. Turn the volume to the max, let them know we odd. Street war god, street war god, street war god. Let's go. I'm the thunder and the lightning, I'm the lightning in the rod. Switch the flow, keep it fast, keep it lethal. I'm the hero to the villains, I'm the omen to the people. See the smoke, that's the incense burning for the ghosts. I'm the one they fear the most, from the coast to the coast. Got a tactical mind and the chrome play the grin. If you play with the fire, then you pay for the sin. I'm a legend in the making, I'm a titan in the trap. Got the map of the trenches tattooed on my lap. I don't talk, I just act, I don't run, I just stand building empires out of dirt and the blood in the sand. They try to bury me deep, but they forgot I'm a seed. I'm the god of the war, I'm the only one you need. Silence in the alley, can you feel the weight when the guy walks by? You can't escape your fate. Bow down to the street war god. Heavy metal in the trunk, we don't do no fraud. Bass hitting like a hammer, let the 808s roll. I'm the king of the gutter, I'm the owner of your soul. Street war god, street war god. Turn the volume Street war god. Yeah. They talk about brothers, but they don't know the cost. Trust is a luxury, and most of them lost. Loyalty and lead. If you ain't bleeding with me, don't eat with me. Let's go. Let's go. I don't need a handshake, I just need a hollow point. If you switch the side, then I'm burning down the joint. We was raised in the gutter, sharing bread in the blight. Now we sharing the burden of the ghosts in the night. Hear the hats clicking fast like a heart on the run. Loyalty is heavy, weighing more than the gun. I take a bullet for the click, let it pierce through the chest. Cause a traitor in the circle is a plague in the nest. We don't sign papers, we just sign in the red. Keep the secrets in the clip, take them down to the bed. If the sirens start screaming and the lights turn blue, I'm the one in the fire standing right next to you. Let's go. It's loyalty and lead. We don't fall, we don't break, never. Written in the metal, every move that we make. Bass hitting harder than the judge's gavel blow. If you down for the family, then let the world know. Loyalty and lead. What? Loyalty and lead. Yeah. Turn the bass up high, let it rumble in the head. Loyalty and lead. Loyalty and lead. Let's go. We live by the code until the whole block is dead. Switch the gear, hit the gas, keep the circle real tight. I can spot a fake soul in the middle of the night. I see what's talking like a lion, now you moving like a mouse. Keep that energy away from the shadows of my house. We got bonds made of iron, we got oaths made of brass. Watch the 808s kick till they shatter all the glass. I don't care about the fame, I don't care about the clout. I just care about the ones who never had a single doubt. None. From the dirt to the diamond, from the cell to the sun. We're a brotherhood of bullets, we're a family of one. If you cross that line, then the lead's gonna speak. Cause the code of the street doesn't favor the weak. Blood in, blood out, that's the only way. If you sell your soul, there's a price to pay. Stay true or stay gone. It's loyalty and lead. We don't fold, we don't break, never. Written in the metal, every move that we make. Bass hitting harder than the judge's gavel blow. If you down for the family, then let the world know. Loyalty and lead. What? Loyalty and lead. Yeah. Turn the bass up high, let it rumble in the head. Loyalty and lead. Loyalty and lead. Let's go. We live by the code until the whole block is dead. Yeah. It's a different kind of bond. Forged in the flame, written in the lead. My brothers, my blood. Loyalty and lead. Welcome to the capital. This ain't just a block, it's a civilization. Built from the concrete up, Empire Street. Long live the king. I laid the first brick with a blood-stained hand. Now I'm looking at the borders of a lawless land. From the corner to the condo, everything is mine. I'm the architect of static, I'm the master of the grind. Hit the hi-hats, clicking like the keys to the vault. If you're starving in my city, then it's probably your fault. I got soldiers on the corner, I got scouts on the roof. If you're looking for a legend, I'm the living, breathing proof. I don't pay no taxes, I just pay the price of power. Every minute is a hustle, every second is an hour. In the Empire Street, we don't bow to the crown. We just build our own palace while we burn the rest down. Welcome to the Empire Street, where the 808 rumble and the wolves come to eat. Bass hitting harder than a riot in the dark. We the kings of the gutter, we the fight in the bar. Empire Street, Empire Street. Turn the volume to the max, let the bass hit the feet. Empire Street, Empire Street. Let's go. If you want the throne, then you gotta bring the heat. I'm the Caesar of the cement, I'm the Pharaoh of the flat. Got the city in the back, got the heavy in the hat. Every alley is a hallway, every street is a room in the Empire Street. I'm the bride and the groom, to the hustle and the struggle, to the metal and the smoke. I'm the one who stays standing when the rest of them broke. Never see the skyline glowing, it's the fire in my soul. I'm the one who took the pieces and I made them all whole. Got a dynasty of dealers and a legacy of lead. If you're coming for the title, you'll be sleeping with the dead. It's the kingdom of the gritty, it's the nation of the cold. In the Empire Street, only legends grow old. Look at the lights, Look at the scars. We built this empire under the stars. Welcome to the empire, a street where the 808 rumble